for me and you might get some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind, just be a classy guy. Buy me a ring, buy me a ring. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special love, then tell me you're beautiful each and every night. Oh, future husband, better love me right.
Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. Oh, what you gonna do? Do you wanna get down? Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on in. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall.
Testing. Testing 1, 2. O te muai tu atu le di ma le whaatalofa, whaawheloa i le paia ma le mamanu o a inga wō, ai meise au mea mai mwhaen tātou whaatasi le nei afi afi. Mori mawina i le whaamoe moe, a le societe o whaafina i Amerika Samoa. Lano taita inga, a le fionga le presidente, ia toa Savili, Roberta Fierce, Lau Moli, ia ai meise le tausana lana nei, ia Isabella a mo mangeo. Tatonu, wa tātou tu mai teimi o tauna a mātaria tātou po kalame. E wilawa e no loo whaatani nisi o tātou mālo a ngai mai. Ia, ia talet pālangi. Time is money, and the show must go on. So, ladies and gentlemen, me pa ia wa fia mai, sau teimi ana toi avatu leo se upo de asosi, e anga tonu ai de pa ia mana mamano mwhaen whaatasi mai. Ai pe ana masane ia tātou tū, ma tātou wanga I whanua, o le a tātou mua mea I matau to sa. Ia wa tātou nunga leo tātou tangata whaatua tua e awala mai ai so tātou manuia I le nei afi afi. O lea nao te wana au whaalolo atu ai, I le sunga I le whauwhautua, ia tāpunuu, Don Vaavale, I o se tasi o whauwhautua, o lo se e nei I le Board of Advisors, a le societe, nā te whawhonga ina so tātou talo a mata. Mai se patipati mo tō whai a tāpunuu.
Tātou I whau matani. Lo mātou tamā, mātou se whaafitai e loa lofa loanga nei, I le nei tū la le fiafi, ma taimi umalawa le aso. Mātou se whaafo e atua le inga ma le whaafitai lau a fio. Whaafitai lau pui pui ngā lofa o mātou tau nuu mai aile, a matanga le mātou whaamoe mo nei a fiafi lo mātou tamā. Whaafitai o whaamanuianga I o mātou tātai toa tasi. Whaafitai le tā leni o e fōa ina I whaafawhine o Amerika Samoa. Mātou se whaasoa le nei a fiafi I e o mawhai o na whaatasi mai e moli mawina la mātou whaamoe moe le nei pō. Whaamanuia ia te lātou o whaavanoa ina o lātou taimi. Lātou te moli mawina I whaamoe moe le nei a fiafi. Whaamanuia I whaamasino o le angafa ma le whaamasino ina o le nei whaamoe moe. Ia whaamasino I le sao ma le tonu e te fiasira sila mai ai. Whaatasi mai o le fiafi nei e manuia mea o mātou se whaia. Swafa pelo Jesu Keriso. Amen.
Moni na nganga whakatai, tō whai a tāku nuu. Ia ono whunga ina tātou tatusanga. A ona a tātou wha wawi tala, o saunia le opening hymn, ia Inicio Sui o the Societe.
I love your voice. You have led me through the fire and in darkness nights. You are close like no other. I know you as my father. I've known you as my friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you my everything. Your goodness is running after me.
So e whaamamafa te isi rawa lau pati ia mo le opening number. O nisi nei o tāleni o le a o tau mori mawina le nei afi. Le awa a mataria atu i le pese a mata ar whanau. O pa ia mamamalo le aso ia o le anu atu. Se tonu lava na manatu ar Sofias i le presene mai se lau. Le tai o na ngā whatau lima ina so mātou whatau waa. Le mātou wo oi foi. Ia, o na whaitau ina leo i mātou. Sipa se la manga, sala se ngangana. Ia, o na vea i leo i mātou o tangata wari au ngā mātou wha moe nei afi. E tau na nuu watu whaatini o tau sala. Ia o lo iai lātou o lātou whaiva tausi lea. A le nei afi. Le whaamalau mai o au tau awhionga i whaamsiongo. E mai se tupu mai o le atunuu, wō ma au mea mamai o ainga o wō mai e masani. Tu atu lima le whaata alofa, ma le mātou whaafitai te lama. O no lo o tau amana i ora Sofia se le nei afi. Ai le ianu loa la se whaamtalanga. E au lava ona whailoa o le nei, whaamoe o mwhaiona whaatino ina. O na lango malosi, a le Fa'afafina Rural Program i lalo o le American Samoa Alliance Against Domestic and Sexual Violence. O leala ia te au le avatele, e tu atuai le nei avanoa. I le manager o se tasi o le nei lava societe. Ia, awasa na saunoanga. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like to hand this time over to Jaya Sayalua, a member of the Society of Fa'afafinas in American Samoa and the Alliance Fa'afafina Rural Program Manager, for her special remarks.
Thank you, beautiful Aussie. Talafalava, to the leadership of Sophia's, the ASCC Impact Club, the American Samoa Alliance Against Domestic and Sexual Violence, our advocates, our elders, our youth, and every member of our beautiful community gathered here tonight. Thank you. Thank you for consistently showing up. Thank you for believing in the work, talents, and value of our Fa'afafina community, that our Fa'afafina community bring to society. Today, we are not simply celebrating a festival. We are celebrating progress, we're celebrating resilience, we're celebrating talent and identity, and we are celebrating the undeniable power of the Fa'afafina community in American Samoa. The Fa'afafina Rural Program was created with a clear purpose: to address violence against Fa'afafina and the broader Sojiesque community in all its forms and in every area of life. For too long, violence against Fa'afafina has been silenced, minimized, or hidden behind shame. But silence and shame does not protect us. Community does. Today, I'm proud to say that because of the unwavering programmatic participation of Sophia's, the dedication of our intentional partners, and the courage of our community members, the objectives of the Fa'afafina Rural Program are no longer just words on a grant proposal. They have become documented, lived realities. During the 2025 Sophia's pageant, I shared that in 2024, we opened American Samoa's first resource center for Fa'afafina. In 2025, we reached another historic milestone: the training of our first cohort of advocates. These individuals stepped forward to learn how to support victims of violence, how to respond to crisis with care, how to navigate systems that oftentimes are not sensitive to our lived experiences, and how to stand in the gap when someone feels unsafe. That is powerful. And for that, I'd like to recognize our trained advocates. Sophia's officer, Christian Sa'alea. Sophia's advisor, Naya Tasha Leatio. Alliance Board Chairperson, Shani Masoli. Alliance Board Member, Tapunu'u Don Va'avale. Designated Eastern Zone Advocate and Director of the Arts and Humanities, Amin Fepuleai. designated Central Zone Advocate Joey Zodiacal, and designated Western Zone Advocate and Sophia's President Erda Laumoli. After completing this training, we are now entering into a new phase of our program, strategic planning to mobilize these advocates. We are building a coordinated response network that is culturally grounded, survivor-centered, and community-driven. This is not a temporary initiative. This is infrastructure. This is planning for sustainability. This is the future of safety for Fa'afafine in American Samoa. And while we celebrate these structural successes, we must remember that behind every statistic is a story. These stories are not just cases, they are lives. So in the spirit of tonight's Fa'afafine Festival, we must say clearly, love should never hurt. Not in our schools, not in our churches, not in our villages, and certainly not in our homes. We all deserve relationships built on respect, consent, and dignity. The Fa'afafine Rural Program is committed to expanding beyond our resource center. Although that center remains a critical safe space, we recognize that true accessibility means meeting people where they are. Our commitment is simple. We will continue to show up for Sophia's, Impact, and other rainbow normative SOGS groups in American Samoa. We will continue answering the calls for support. We will continue advocating in rooms and spaces where representation is rare and where our voices have historically been excluded. And we will continue to build systems that safeguard our community. Why? Because we recognize that the struggle for dignity, civil rights, and freedom is interconnected, and it requires courage, organization, community, and an unwavering belief that change is possible, even when the odds seem overwhelming. That same spirit lives here in American Samoa. It lives in every Fa'afafine that has ever stood tall despite ridicule. It lives in every advocate who chose to be trained. It lives in every partner organization and community leader who said, "Not on my watch." And it lives in our Fa'afafine youth, who deserve a future where they are safe, celebrated, and free. Because of Sophia's, because of Impact ASCC, because of the American Samoa Alliance, and because of all of you, we are moving from survival to strategy, from reaction to prevention. We are proving that when Fa'afafine lead, communities thrive. We are proving that rural does not mean forgotten. And we are proving that safety is not a privilege. It is a human right. So tonight, as we celebrate culture, identity, talent, and pride, let us also recommit ourselves to the organized work ahead. Let us protect our most vulnerable youth. Let us support survivors and systems that aid them. Let us train more advocates. Hint, hint, Sophia. Let us expand our reach. Let us continue building an American Samoa where every Fa'afafine, every gender diverse individual, and every unique person can live free from violence. Our work is powerful, our work is resilient, and our future is ours to shape. Faftai Munavanoa.
How about another round of applause for the champion of Fa'afafine advocacy and football legend, to name a few, Wa'atili Lava. Thank you, Jaya Sailua and the Alliance here in American Samoa Against Domestic and Sexual Violence for advocating for Sophia's all these years and giving us a home. We now have a safe space where we can go to after work. We can go there to have lunch. We're not meeting at McDonald's anymore, at the Faleo'os in Utule and here at Lions Park. So thank you, Jaya Sailua, for advocating for us, and thank you, Alliance team. This event is part of Miss Sophia's, Miss Isabella Amumangeo's platform. It is more than a competition. It is really a family coming together to share the talents with you all. And I can't do it alone. I'm gonna need someone to help me up here. So, DJ, can you play a song while I introduce my co-host for tonight? She is part of the Impact and is no stranger to the community. My co-host for tonight is none other than Agnes Tilo Lamositele.
Talafalava, everybody. How's everyone doing tonight? I'm gonna need that clapper a little bit louder. How's everyone doing tonight? I just want to put it out there that I'm not a fafafine. I'm a proud lesbian living here in American Samoa.
Debatable.
Okay.
Yan minsan din ang mga idea. Spotlight. Talafalava and welcome. Welcome to the Hotel Sophia's. And we will be your hotel managers for tonight. And because we're short-staffed, we'll also be your housekeepers, your concierges.
All of the above. We're doing everything tonight. So if you need anything tonight, we got you.
And wow, I can already tell they're excited to be here. See, it's already full on this area and over there
Oh my
too.
gosh.
Wafatu mulia ni name outside itangata
Filled to the brim.
It's in there.
Yoy, aquilo fue le fue coquele. You know, because tipping here at our Hotel Sophia is welcome. So bring out those kalas and get ready to make it rain.
Yes, and if you're feeling extra generous tonight, you can also tip your co-hosts.
So, Ozzy, before we get into that, I think we have some house rules to go over, right?
Yes.
Okay, so house rules number 1, respect is mandatory. However, shade is always welcome, but it better be top quality shade. I want to hear you say clock it. Period.
Rule number 2, if you see someone serving looks, you don't just stare, you clap, or you clap, or you even cheer out loud.
And then tip them while they're serving those looks.
But if you feel that tipping culture, I guess that's a Hawaii and American thing, but we're gonna make it a thing tonight.
Yes, and final rule for tonight. If you are feeling the music, if you are feeling the vibe, and somehow your soul leaves your body, that's your own liability. We're not responsible for that. So,
Now, if you break any of these rules, you will be escorted out. I'm kidding.
yeah, no, we'll make you stay there and spend your money. All right, so as our concierge, what are we looking for tonight, Ozzy?
Yeah, I think we're looking to find confidence. Now, if you're looking for confidence, we have extra up here ready for you tonight.
If you're also looking to heal something tonight, you'll also find it on this stage.
And for those of you who are here to seek drama, we will be waiting at the McDonald's parking lot.
And yes, our staff at Hotel Sophia's, 100% Fa'afafine excellence.
Yes. But let me be clear, tonight, as I mentioned earlier, the Fa'afafine Festival isn't just about entertainment, and it's more than a competition.
Yes, it's about visibility, it's about identity, and it's about celebrating Fa'afafine, the beauty, the resilience, the humor, and power.
So thank you all for coming to celebrate all of them tonight. The Fa'afafine Festival is a reminder that when the Fa'afafine community take up space, they don't just belong, baby, they lead.
Yes, they do.
So thank you for choosing to stay with us tonight and not your Valentines.
Yes, because your presence matters here tonight. All right, Ozzy, I think we checked in everybody, yeah? Okay, so moving along, we're going to introduce our judges for tonight. Who do we have on our panel, Ozzy?
Our first judge of the night, She is the director of Samoan Studies Institute at the American Samoa Community College since 2007. She serves as the secretary of the America Samoa Language Commission, a deacon of the Jerusalem Congregational Christian Church of Samoa in Tafuna, and she attended Samoa College and UPY in Samoa and graduated from the University of Waikato in New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your judge number one, Le Fionga ya ai ono o ke naisa ke seta fauolo.
Give it up, everybody. All right. Following along, we have judge number two, the lovely Fola Sorepa Thomas. Fola Saitu Sorepa Fata Thomas is a seasoned executive and retired U.S. Army veteran with 25 years of distinguished service. A native of Wailoatai with deep ancestral roots in Si'imu, Bulea, Afenga, and Salailua. She currently serves as the CEO of ASICA. A 2000 graduate of Nu'uli Polytech High School, Fola holds a degree in foreign relations and diplomacy. Her leadership is defined by a unique blend of strategic diplomacy, operational excellence, and a lifelong commitment to public service. She is married to Mark Thomas, and they are the proud parents of 4 children. How about a round of applause for judge number 2, the lovely CEO of ASTICA, Fola Sorepa Thomas.
Our third judge of the night is also the designated head judge of the night. She is the founder, owner, and choreographer of Le Taupo Manaya American Samoa in Apia, Samoa, and also in Auckland, New Zealand. Her life has always been infused with the performing arts, proudly coming from the musically renowned Le'ainga o Salamo, where she holds the high chief title of Tui Fasasina, a master tuinga fafau, tufunga. One of her many tuinga is now housed at the Auckland War Memorial Museum, owner of Mersina Samoa Creations, and mother to her beautiful daughter. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your head judge of the night, Tui Fasasina Corina Seyuli Lee.
Wow. Already it's a tough night. And finally, your judge number 4, the lovely Falelauli'i Sophia Aulava. She was born October 8, 1951, a proud native of Lauli'i, America Samoa, and holds the esteemed Matai title of Falelauli'i. She is a dedicated mother to Marquis Filemoni Aulava and Matalina Sophia Aulava. A graduate of the University of Alaska Anchorage, Sophia has built a distinguished career rooted in her passion for dance and cosmetology since 1997. With decades of experience, she has cultivated a reputation for professionalism, creativity, and commitment to excellence within the beauty industry. She was the owner of the Cutting Edge during the Rainmaker era and later established Salon Sophia in Nu'uli, where she continued to serve her community with dedication and expertise. Ms. Sophia is currently an active member of the ASG Cosmetology Board, where she remains committed to providing exceptional service and mentoring others in her field. Throughout her career, Sophia has built a distinguished career serving across 3 government administrations, working closely with her respective first ladies. Her tenure in public service reflects a deep commitment to leadership and strategic collaboration. Wow, give it up for Miss Sophia Aulava. And I also want to add, Sophia has served many women in our community through beautifying at her salon. So once again, loud round of applause for Miss Sophia Aulava.
This is an extremely overqualified panel of judges tonight, Nessa.
Yes, I agree.
Helping them and assisting them with the scores of the night, we have our lovely scrutineers. She is an educator by profession. Our first scrutineer is none other than Shanette Thompson. A round of applause.
Yes.
And our second scrutineer is an employee of the Alliance Against Domestic and Sexual Violence here in American Samoa, Mrs. Leslie Faumina.
Give it up for our scrutineers, everybody. All right, I think we got a lot covered for tonight. Is everybody ready for the show? I know.
Yes, I think everybody's here and ready for the show. But before we move on to the first category, tonight we have two wings here at this hotel. The Eastern Wing is led by the Eastern Legend, and they are the ladies embracing gender equality and diversity. And the Western Wing is the Tene Olisei, sisters embracing inclusivity.
Yes.
So our competition tonight will be between the Eastern Legends and the Tene Olisei. Now, if you're here for the Eastern Legends, let me hear you. Yeah, that's where I'm from. Louder. Now, if you're from the Eastern Legends, there you go. And if you're here for the Tene Olisei, Sophia's is made up of two zones, the Eastern Legends, Mainu'uni all the way to Oninoa, and the Western Zone, Maitafuna all the way to Whangamalo. And in 2016, actually, 10 years ago, the first ever Fa'afafine Festival was held under former Miss Sophia's Jaylene Chan's reign. And it was a huge success. And so every year we try to bring it back. This year is no different. Miss Isabella Amu Mangeofa, this would be the perfect time to bring the Fa'afafine Festival back. And so here we are.
So, sit back and relax, everybody, because we're going to go right into our categories. What are these categories? Oh, before we go into our categories, should we do a quick shout out to our proud sponsors for the evening?
Sure, let's get that out of the way. We want to acknowledge the Fa'afafine Rural Program, the American Samoa Alliance Against Domestic and Sexual Violence,
ASCC NPC staff and management, Director Amin Fipuleai,
DJ Sentinel, and Poneru Kifanga,
Sugar Mama and all other vendors outside right now,
Garden at Rentals, the roadside,
Efakasa Yusalemafo,
the panel of judges and scrutineers tonight,
myself, in-kind donations representing Impact,
and every ticket buyer here tonight. We also want to acknowledge all the designers, the hairstylists, the makeup artists behind the scenes from Tene Olisei and Legends. And I believe that brings us to the first category.
Yes.
The first category, judges, is the spoken word. Now, you have been briefed earlier, but just for everyone's information, this is written words influenced by the lived experiences of a Fa'afafine. This is a group category and must consist of at least 3 zone members from each zone. Everybody will be dressed in black, so the focus can be on the spoken word. Now, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, for our first category, I give you the first spoken word of the night, all the way from the Eastern Legends.
Big hands, everybody, big hands.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first spoken word all the way from the Eastern Legends.
Talofa Lava in the spoken word category, representing the legend from the eastern side of American Samoa.
I am Rita Leisha.
I am Leonora. I am now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. They don't say my name first. They say Mala, Mala, but sharp enough to cut and sound enough to spur. They call me Mala before they learn my name. A whisper word, have no fear, bands from mouth to mouth like a warning. The word they used to call me without knowing me, they say, Ole Malalale, as if my existence arises part of someone else. They taught us the word earning. Before we knew ourselves, before we learned how to dance talk, they said, Mala, not a name, not a question, it's spoken word. Mala. They said we were Mala to the family, that our present meant the bloodline, that our truth embarrassed the household.
Mala to the church.
Mala to the church.
Mala to the church. Because our prayers don't feed memories, even though God still hears us preach.
Mala to culture, as if our feeling nowadays in service, in respect, in love for the eye. But tell me, maybe Mala is not who we are. Maybe Mala is the fear of what refuses to disappear. Because we are still here, still serving, still loving, still feeling. Maybe we carry the label, not because they see, because we are strong enough to survive.
But one day, that word will fall quiet, exhausted from being untrue. Say our name or Fafa feeling.
Not Mala. Say my name, if no one is around you. Just say my name and say it with respect.
Wow. How about a round of applause for the Eastern Legends and their spoken word? What did you think of East's spoken word?
It's a very powerful message behind that rendition. There's a strong message about, discriminating.
Yeah, but you always tell me Mala.
Because I'm your safe space, Aussie. And that is very important in this community. Safe space.
And say our names.
Not Mala.
If you forget everything tonight, at least remember, don't say Mala. Veamos si yo ko fa'along. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe the Tane LSA are ready for their spoken word category.
Yes.
So without further ado, I present to you Tane LSA.
Big hands, everybody, big hands.
just whispers, just side eyes, just shh, let me figure out. Let me respond if I let me come tell if I let me when the bears come alive. But even then, people knew us. They had a word. Fa'afine. We were not strangers here. We were in the homes, in the villages, in the churches. Life in many ways was good. But I learned early how to shrink, how to soften my laugh, how to lower my eyes. But still, my spirit was loud. My heart was colorful. And no matter how many times they tried to fold me smaller, I kept unfolding into myself.
I grew up when the word Fa'afafine was said out loud. Not hidden, not foreign, familiar. In American Samoa, we are known. Our family knows us. Our villages recognize us. We have rich children. We show to every family. We carry culture with pride. And honestly, we live a good life, but still at school. Jokes. I was too curly for the boys, too boys for the girls. They told me be strong, but no one told me it was okay to be soft too.
TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I grew up with social media, seeing people like me online, living proud, living free. But I also grew up here, where they say I'm part of our culture, and that's right. But when I closed my phone, the whispers, the stares, the bullying were still there. They say times have changed. Sometimes they have. Sometimes they haven't.
Different years, different stories, same hearts, same struggle, same strength.
They call me names I will not repeat.
They laugh when I walk past.
They posted me in group chat.
They try to
shame us.
They try to
silence us.
They try to erase us. But we are still here.
I learned survival.
I learned to fight back with education.
I'm learning to speak up, to be loud without apology.
We learn resilience.
But do not get it twisted. Our stories isn't just pain. We are the caretakers. We are the aunties that show up first. We decorate for funeral, dance for your weddings. We are the ones that love the hardest.
We are the bridge between worlds.
Masculine, feminine, sacred balance. But there's still one thing we don't talk about enough.
Love was always quiet.
Dating was our secret.
Building a life with someone still feels taboo.
We are accepted until we love. They were okay with me being a Fa'afafine, just not in a relationship.
Okay with us, caring for others' families, but not creating our own.
Okay with our presence, but unsure of our future.
Whispers still follow love.
And we're changing that too.
By living honestly.
By loving boldly.
By refusing to shrink. I walked so you could run.
I fought so you could breathe easier.
And I will rise so the next generation can fly.
Generations of courage. Generations of love. Generations of strength.
I dream of a future where a Fa'afafine child doesn't have to hide love.
Where partners are respect bound.
Where acceptance doesn't stop halfway.
We are grateful for this land, grateful for our people, grateful to be known.
But we also deserve more!
Not just to exist,
but to love freely.
From generation to generation,
rooted in culture,
growing in courage,
and stepping into a future
with no whispers left behind. We rise, we shine, we stand, we are Fa'afafine. Still standing in our hills, written by Makeda Sandua, performed by Latanya Singh.
What did you think of that performance, ladies and gentlemen? Does it deserve a claque? Yes.
That was a very emotional performance. performance by TNLC. Talks about resilience and how far they've come.
I'm still taken aback about that. I just want to highlight that behind the glamour, behind the facade of just, the positivity that Fa'afafines bring out, there's a lot that goes on, and it takes these kind of spaces for them to fully express some of those desires for acceptance and just love in fullness. So that's my takeaway, and that standing backstage kind of touched my heart.
Yes. So give it up for the lovely performances, both by the Eastern Legends and also by the moving performance by TNLC.
Yes.
I think the judges have a very hard job tonight of choosing between the two.
I agree.
So Nesse, we're moving on to our second category, and it is the Bandettes. Can you please explain for our audience what this category is about?
Sure. This category is going to shift the mood to a lot more liveliness. The Battle of the Bandette is a dramatization of expressing the feeling and the vibe of the songs with a mixture of 3 songs from the following eras: the 90s, the 80s, and the 60s. This is also a group category of 3 to 5 per zone. So there's going to be a lot of dancing, a lot of movement, and a lot of technique in this battle.
The 2060s, really. And I'm pretty sure most of you will be, may siya ko akenero ke ba maaya kuwain sa fangangaw the 60s, yung mga 80s, yung mga 90s. You will enjoy this, the next performance. Yes. So, without further ado, we give to you.
Which side are we starting with?
Because we started with the Eastern Legends for the first category, we're going to start with the TNLC for this category.
All right.
And since you're from the West Side, why don't you go ahead and introduce?
Ladies and gentlemen, the category number 2 for Battle of the Bandettes, bringing on stage Tene Olise.
Girl, my name is Alamay Fayang Events in Valentine's. My call in 1960s. Hey girls! Okay, El Maya, come on, best time I call El boys, right? Now here we go.
Nothing you can take can tear me away from my God. Nothing you can do, 'cause I'm stuck right
if I want more of God in every relationship.
Hail, girls.
Hail, Mary. What's up?
Well, Jerusalem's become a real drag. Everybody hates me.
Not that guy over there.
Who, him? They all say he's different. They say he's really weird.
We don't care what people say. To us, he's always there.
Really?
Nothing you could say could tear me away from my God.
My God.
Nothing you could do, 'cause I'm stuck like glue to my God.
My God.
I'm sticking to my God like a stamp to a letter, like birds of a feathery stick together. I'm telling you from the start, I can't be torn apart from my God.
My goal in the 80s, a class Yalama Kopisi for Valentine.
Ooh, say trashy.
Some boys kiss me, some boys hug me. I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can beg and they can plead, but they can't see the light. That's right. 'Cause the boy with the cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl.
Girls, let's take it to the top.
Kijk, is er best een hele beel bij? Laat maar con the 90s. Ja, working is well on Valentine. Lang I know era. Hi girls! Bring it on.
The lonely hours of the night.
Give it up one more time for Tane Olasey. Wow. That was a beautiful performance. Right, Ozzy? Just like when you were in the bandette in the 60s? No? Okay.
Yeah, the only difference, I got paid to dance. Yeah, so yeah.
So if you think you enjoy that, please, the Eastern Legends, boy, they have a show for you.
I have a feeling they're coming for it tonight. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats and welcome the Eastern Legends Bandettes.
Big hands, everybody, for the Eastern Legends.
DJ Derek.
Give it up for your Eastern legend. Ozzy, I have to point out that song by Cher. That's like played in every gay bar for all I know.
That's how gay they are.
And aren't we feeling so gay tonight? Yes.
Next category. We're gonna jump right into our next category. And this category is the lip sync battle. Now throughout this night, we will have 3 different lip sync battles. And this is the first one. It's going to be between the East and Tainel Lisay. So can I get the curtains? Who is representing Tainel Lisay tonight for the first lip sync battle? Curtains.
You know.
Mau MC ko ya, aduh kosong le curtain.
Mulo coffee. Well, obviously.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Tainel Lisay for the lip sync battle number 1 is Duffy. Give it up for Duffy. And representing the Eastern Legends, we have Living Da Vida Loca. Now,
honestly, how does this even work? What is a lip sync battle?
So there were 3 songs given for the lip sync battles. However, so they were supposed to learn all 3 songs, but tonight is the moment of truth because we are going to select what song they lip sync to. So Judge, I honor, pick a number from 1 to 3. Oh, of course
Song
you do.
number 3.
And number 3, ooh. Are you ready, ladies? Are you ready, ladies?
Are you
First lip sync
ready?
battle royale of the night. The song they have selected is Kauvanga Ali by Tofangameke.
Big hands, everybody.
DJ, drop it like a guitar. Asa mai mo si para wadi. Sorry, they possessed the alcohol. Station. Give it up for our girls. It's not easy lip syncing to a Samoan song, but they tried their darnest tonight with a classic Tofangamiki. Now, judges, we're gonna go down this way. Judge Corina, who is your pick for winner of this battle? West.
1 point for West.
Tina, say one. Iono. Tina, the East Legends, 1-1. Hello, Lily, Sophia. Tina, the East Noah.
2 for East.
2-1. Fola. Tina, the West.
It's a tie.
2-2.
It's a tie.
It's a tie.
There is a tie.
But the tiebreaker is with our head judge of the night. So if I see Corina, please enlighten us. Who is the winner of this battle? Tanya Oliseh! Or may one not see that?
All right, everybody, once again, your lip sync battle. Hey. It's okay with Makua.
Hi, everybody. Moving along, we've had this high energy, but now we're going to slow it down a bit. We have now arrived at the runway fashion show. This category, let me catch my breath, is a one-on-one dramatization expressing the feeling of the selected song, utilizing costume and movement to further embody the song. Sorry, no one could lip sync. Participants must wear all black because the focus is on hair, makeup, or the perfect hat. So the first two contestants and participants that you will see tonight will be modeling hair. Yeah, Adwatu le hair, model. For Imaitua, Adwatu ia le makeup, solely based on the makeup. E highlight ia artistry na hairstylist, na makeup artist, and lastly, the hats, creativity at designers backstage. Are we ready? They are ready. So we have a bit of a change. Coming up to you first tonight, modeling makeup. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our makeup models.
Yeah. Okay.
Calling upon Tanya Oliseh.
Yeah.
The category is face.
Can I get the lights so the judges can see the face?
You in Miami for also. When I step a stampede, put
That is your model, Z, from Tainio Lachey. Now, bringing to the stage, from the Eastern Legends, we have the lovely Loma. Face.
If you scared, then just say that enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these. I'm about to call up Diamond. No, if you
She has contoured for the gods.
Too down, too hot, too wild, move clear, new style. How you with me, girl? Give me one shine, I'm raising the glass. Give me 2 shots, I'm shaking this. Give me 3 shots, I'm ready to. 5 more shots, I be ready to splash. To me, so I gotta pop it. I'm standing on business. I'm
Give it up for
ready to
Eastern Legends.
I'll be big in their pocket, girl. Tell me
Now, judges and ladies and gentlemen, for your final viewing pleasure, this is the face-off. Let's go.
These sore losers, they can't do is not important. Look, hey, I'm getting better and better. I do not see no competitors. You know the gang hit that.
Serve them face, ladies.
Serve it to the judges.
They can see me with money, these bugging. Either this blind or I'm invisible. Can't see me at night. When I hopped out was MP, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky Charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on. I see my eyes linking up. I'm like, what in the? If you scared, then just say that enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these. Me, girl, give me one shine, I'm raising the glass. Give me 2 shots, I'm shaking this. Give me 3 shots, I'm ready to.
Thank you, ladies.
5 more shots, I be ready to splash. To me, so I gotta pop it. I'm standing on business, I'm ready about it. Be talking.
Give it up for our face models of the night.
I'm pretty, I'm running the city. I'm known to Navy Department. Tap your thick like peanut butter. Jelly about it. There a lot of winning, a lot of score here. Cardi Bryant, Cardi Jordan here.
Thank you.
They can't do is not important.
Now, bringing to the stage, we have our hair models.
I could tell he the one, could have hated on him. Used to be a high roller, but I skated on him. When he went away, then I just waited on him. Came back, then I got X-rated on him. Never hesitated on him.
All the way from the Eastern Legends, we have Miss Lexi. And from Tainio Lachey, we have Miss Georgia. Okay, now go one by one. Go, Lexi.
Feast your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Feast your eyes.
Looking for my lip gloss and my liner. Looking for me, told him meet me at the diner. Got his smiling cause he know
Hair.
Just a reminder.
Lots of hair.
If I would show but then just let him go. Can't sit in my seat, can't sit in my
Out of this world.
Says you know. He got a fetish for some pretty tea. He got that super bass, make my heart skip a beat. I mean,
she's giving me Rapunzel and Dreamcatcher.
In your dreams, you know we getting to the back, keeping in the beat. They said what?
For the final look, judges, those are your hair models of the night. And for our final runway, bringing to the stage our hat models. From the Eastern Legends, we have Orlando Royale Matain. And from Tainio Lachey,
she will reveal herself under her hat.
hey, let's go, Tainio Lachey, model. That is Miss Duffy, all the way from Tainio Lachey. Yes.
She is serving that hat.
It's a hat, it's a veil, it's everything.
She is shutting it down.
Eastern Legends, what are you serving tonight? She's serving a foot up in this competition.
Now that's once upon a time girl with her hand, Miss Olena.
It's a yellow bottom.
Oh, safety, ladies, safety. I love.
It's a whole heel. Yo, the side star bang, I like what? And for your final viewing pleasure, let the show off begin.
You better stop it. Tame her, tame her. Now, ladies. You know, Boomtown girls, they always packing, and she's packing tonight.
Thank you, ladies.
Phil, I'll let you my weapon.
Do you want to see our models one more time? Starting face. Miss Loma from the Eastern Legends. Miss C from St. Hussein.
You better work, face.
Serving hair. Eastern Legends, Miss Lexi. And Georgia from St. Hussein.
All right, legend.
And lastly, our hat model. Eastern Legends. Lena Mua.
Gonna get a touchdown, gonna take you out. That's right, put your pom-poms down, getting everybody fired up. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just
And
gonna
Miss
happen.
Duffy from St. Hussein.
Holla back, girl, ain't no holla back, girl. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. Well, ain't no holla back, girl, ain't no holla back,
Thank you, ladies.
Very, very beautiful.
Thank you so much. Come on, a round of applause. Wala umay o defane wa may kaingamu wa sa paleoki o si Evai.
Amoy maluwilo.
Did you enjoy that category?
Yes.
I hope you did. Because the next category is our second lip sync battle of the night. Let me just quickly check if they're ready.
And also, Ozzy, we have some word from our security. Somebody lost their dignity at the backstage. If that is your dignity, please come back and pick it up. Liquid dignity. Lip sync battle. We have 2 more song choices.
Madam CEO Fola, please choose between number 1 and number 2. Because you are the one. Let me see our competitors of the night. From the Eastern Legends, we have Belle. And give it up for Belle.
Give it up for Eastern Legends.
Say we have Simone. And your song for tonight is by Queen Bee, Alien Superstar. Oh, how fitting. Aliens Superstar. Let's go.
Please do not be alarmed, remain calm. Do not attempt to leave the dance floor.
Give it all you got.
The DJ booth is connected.
Let's go, ladies.
Give them face.
Serve us Renaissance.
Give them body.
I'm one of one.
Give them pulitasi.
The only one.
And a gown.
Only one.
Yes.
Don't even waste your time trying to compete with me.
Give them Maya
This
Iku.
world can think like me. I'm twisted, I'll contradict it. Keep him addicted. Lies on his lips, I lick it. Unique, category. Bad.
Safety,
bitch,
lady,
I'm
safety.
Alien superstar. Whip, whip.
Yes.
She's giving us reveal tonight.
Come on, Eastern legend. The West is serving faith tonight. And body, yaddy, yaddy.
It's Simona's world tonight.
Come on, Queen Bee, make mother proud.
Unicorn is the uniform you put on. Eyes on you when you perform. Eyes on I when I put on. Mastermind, yeah. Hope couture. Never was king clack, I'm so obscure. Masterpiece, genius. Drip and trippiness. Patty cake on their wrist, Tiffany blue billboards over the ceiling. We don't like green. Always dreamed of paper planes. I'll have when I rodeoed in
The big girls don't play. You get it, Skinty, you get it.
Look over my shoulder.
Give it to them. Get them the hair.
You stare. Head on a pillow, hike it in the air. Too classy for this world. Forever I'm that girl.
Ladies, stay nice.
Baby, I'm too classy to be touched. I pick them all engrossed. I'm stingy with my love. Ooh, baby.
Now,
Come back, come back. Eastern legend, come back.
please move forward. Yes. Hold hands. A little bit to the left.
By the power.
Judge number 1, Miss Tuifasina. Who is the winner of this battle? West Side 1.
1 point for West. 1 point for West.
East Side 1. Okay, Kalo.
One for East.
They sitting in a 1. Sophia. The West 2.
2 for West.
And Fola. West is the winner of this battle.
West side, best side. You know those big girls, they know how to bring it.
I don't know. But that was a lovely. Yeah, fear your oko misfortune, unfortunate events are here. Give it up for our lip syncers for tonight.
That was entertaining.
Gele yo kala, but it takes a lot to come up here, learn the words, lip sync,
Yes.
do split it out late lalo.
A lot of courage.
I give it to the girls, you know? It's not an easy job. So thank you, girls. And now we're going right into our second fashion show runway of the night. That's it.
All right, our second fashion show, we will be judging on Feather, Zodiac, and Natural Disaster. Our Feather Fantasy, a look comprised of all feathers and size. The Zodiac Couture, a look inspired by any one or more zodiac signs and must be couture. And lastly, Natural Disaster. They have to create a look inspired by natural disaster, recycled materials, highlighting things from floods, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, droughts, wildfires, and so forth. Here, just like the other fashion show, we're going to bring our Eastern and Western girls to model one by one and a final battle. DJ, ladies, are you ready?
Ready, ready, ready.
We are going to showdown the feather category.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and help us welcome our feather-inspired looks of the night. DJ.
Like
All the way from Tana, USA, we bring to you former Miss Sophia's Contest Nicole de Longpre Araika Fonati.
Give it up for Tina Lissay. Big hands, everybody.
She's giving us the Black Raven.
giving us Lady Featherington with her new dress.
Statuesque. She's a glamour on the runway. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Eastern Legends, we get to you, Marigold Ashley. All the way from New Orleans, she's serving you Gatsby for the night.
Yes. She's giving exotic, near extinct.
She is no stranger to the runway.
Move those feathers.
I think they want to see more. Let's get them a showdown.
One more time, ladies. One more time. On those feet, light as a feather.
They're giving us chicken feathers, ostrich feathers, peacock feathers, sometimes manure feathers. But it's okay, the look is feathers.
Yes. Feathering feathers. You know, I don't think anything was damaged or destroyed or harmed, yeah?
No animals were
Yeah.
harmed
Yes.
in the making of these lovely garments tonight.
Mm-hmm. What's
Our
next?
look are the zodiac signs, zodiac inspired looks. So, models, are you ready? Let's go. From the Eastern Legends, let's go. Andrea Cataleya Paya Medici. This is avant-garde. This is couture. Take your time, love. Did you guess what zodiac sign she is? Gemini! And all the way from Taylor Olasey, we have Freddie. Looking beautiful, baby.
You know, Ozzy, it's giving me Sagittarius.
Sagittarius, be honest. Oh, there's more. Oh.
You hear that, ladies and gentlemen? She is intergalactic.
Body, body, body. Now for the runway showdown. Let's go. From Eastern Legends. And Taylor Olasey.
Very mysterious Gemini.
Yeah. Giving me Vegas showgirl.
She is disturbing. Sagittarius with their bend. Flexibility.
You say I'm crazy, I got you crazy. You're nothing but a
You better work, Gemini. All that glitz and glam. Very mysterious.
Thank you so much, ladies.
Did you like that, ladies and gentlemen?
Wow. So nice. Our last runway of the night is called Natural Disaster. I didn't go in. I know some of you I think, well, easy fine, you're already natural disasters. But that's not the theme of the night. They were tasked to use recycled materials. Now you be the judge. We watch, but we don't judge. Judge. Ladies, are we ready? Giving you Natural Disaster Runway, Eastern Legends and Tainil Say.
I think we need to call in the FEMA to respond to this.
From Tainil Say, we have the lovely Miss Tina Say, Megan.
Is it a thunderstorm?
And she is giving us thunderstorm
and silver lightning.
Ooh. Heavy rainfall.
Electrifying.
Ooh. Torrential rainfall.
There's a lot of condensation in that cloud. You better call upon Zeus and send that lightning.
Thank you, Tainil Say, and from Eastern Legends, we have Jackie.
Fire! Everybody say fire!
And she is giving you lava from the volcanoes of Hawaii.
Mount Kilauea.
Yes, baby. She's giving us Billy the Goddess.
The volcano just erupted, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on to your seat.
Please evacuate. Ladies and gentlemen, for the showdown, let's go.
Get your FEMA application ready and claim your home. We have lightning and lava flowing in this house tonight. What a beautiful chaos. Give it up for your natural disasters. I've never been so happy to cheer on a natural disaster.
Have you ever seen a volcano before? Well, now you have. Have you seen thunder? Now for the final runway showdown, let's bring back all our models. Say, pang ataw singaw na designers. For the feather looks. All the way from Tainil Say, we have Nicole DeLongpre.
The Black
Araika
Swan.
Foronti. And from Eastern Legends, we have Marigold Ashley. They still got it. You still got it. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, ladies. You still got it.
There is no expiration in glamour.
Thank you, feathers. Our zodiac signs. From Taino to say, we have Britishka. Sagittarius. And from Eastern Legend, we have the Aries.
Gemini. So respectful, so demure, making way. You better let that light hit those gems, Gemini. Look at her butt. Hey. You better work. You better go after that, mama. You better tell it, Sagittarius. Gemini, make room.
Oh my God, what woman a church
The
may look at a form.
anacondas don't want nothing.
May not. Thank you, ladies.
So don't. Ooh, a lot of sass on this stage tonight.
And finally, our natural disasters of the night. Natural disaster number
Sound the
one.
alarm. Get ready to evacuate, ladies and gentlemen. There's thunder.
And natural disaster number two.
What a happy thunder. Oh, you better work, volcano. You better blast that lava. Okay, okay. Lava, lava. Over lava. Did you enjoy that, ladies and gentlemen? And when we do, what do we say? Period. I love it.
And which one did you enjoy the most? Natural disasters? Or feathers? Or the zodiac signs?
Okay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going right into our next category. And this is the third and final lip sync battle of the night. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready?
We have our final song. Battles, are you on the stage?
Okay.
The song for tonight, Shackles by Mary Mary. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for your final
Representing
lip sync
Taylor
battle.
Lissay, we have Lisha Tawanu. And representing Eastern Legends, or the Fafafine Suika Oko, Loma, DJ, they are ready.
Sure is hot out here. I don't mind though. Glad to be free.
We're going gospel, ladies. Hey, hey, hey. Here we go.
We have Whoopi Goldberg in the house.
Sing those shackles, ladies. Put your hands together, everybody. Here we go. Hey. took us to church, ladies and gentlemen.
Did you guys enjoy this performance tonight? Look forward.
Come on to the center, ladies.
There were two different interpretations on the stage for the song. We have Daddy and Soul Lotsu, and somebody better try to wadu the Lotsu. And then we have sometimes Kaude Mawa Upu, and then we have Mawa Upu. Judge number one, Corina, who is your pick for this battle? Mr. Legends 1. Iona? East or West? Tina, say 1.
1 and
Legends 1.
1 and 1.
Sophia?
2 for the East.
East?
Yes.
2 for East and Fola. And it's another tie, ladies and gentlemen.
Tiebreaker.
Now the tiebreaker lies totally in your hands, Miss Tuifasina. Please, who is the winner of this battle?
East.
And the winner of the battle is Eastern Legends. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful, wonderful battle tonight. All right. How's everybody doing tonight? How's everybody doing tonight? That's right. I love that.
Our next category.
Yes. Go ahead.
Our next category is the Tuwinga Fafau Challenge. Both teams of 2 from each zone will receive the same amount of Tuwinga and Lae supplies and are tasked to Fafau the Tuwinga for their chosen taupo of the night. The team who assembles the neatest, the cleanest, and the most firm Tuwinga Fafau, appealing to the eyes of the judges and all of you, and done in 5 minutes, will win this category. That was an earful.
That's a small time.
Ultimately, they just had to say the Tuwinga Yamanayalona 2 Audine in 5 minutes, and then Model Lotaupo and the judges will decide which Tuwinga Fafau is the best of the night. I said 5 minutes because when I decided Tuwinga, it's 5 minutes. But the criteria is 10 minutes. Talia Press?
Yes.
10 minutes. We're ambitious, get it 5 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes are given. Zones, are we ready?
Okay. Once again, our Tuwinga challenge. 2 teams will decide from hair to the lave and all the accessories, and then will model it out. One of our judges is a master Tuwinga maker, and so this is a tough job for her. Or might not be tough because she knows her craft really well.
Okay, we're gonna open the curtain and count 3, 2, 1, and then the time officially starts.
Yeah.
Give it up for our DJ tonight, you know. Then they gonna swing out of our hang on a tour. On the count of 3, 2, 1, go. it's rightfully so, because we on the judges panel, we have a Taria Fafau expert, Miss Sweet Pasasina. You have 7 more minutes. Five minutes left. 2 more minutes.
I believe they're doing their final touches.
One more minute, ladies. I ask our topos, if you are ready, please stand. Oh, and they're both ready. Now you are going to have to model a Tawinga Fafau to the judges. Representing the Eastern Legends, we have Vanessa Tamu, and she is currently the zone leader for the Eastern Legends. And representing the Tena LSA, we have Miss Michaela Saindua, also the current zone leader for Tena LSA. Ladies and gentlemen, that was our Tawinga Fafau challenge.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, before we head into our final category, the Pese Tawaluna, we are going to take a 5-minute break so we can give our lovely contestants or our zone members some time to get ready for their final Tawaluna. This final category, everyone is going to participate. So if you notice all throughout the night, they were competing themselves, they gotta go back, they got to assemble everything. So this intermission is gonna give everyone some time to get ready for that final category and for you to enjoy some of the treats outside with our lovely vendors. Outside we have Sugar Mama selling their delicious sushi rice, some snacks and drinks for your pleasure. So we're going to go into a 5-minute intermission break and then we'll call everyone back for the final category and we'll wrap up tonight. How's that sound? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you in 5 minutes. been informed that everyone is now ready. And that concludes our intermission. So if I can have everyone make their way back into the arena. Everyone? Princess, do you please have everyone come back? Our judges are making their way back. Calling all our attendees to please report to the center. All right, 2 more minutes. How's everybody doing tonight? Is that sushi rice kitty? I love it. Shout out to Sugar Mama. You will always find your wagon in front of the stadium, sometimes in Nuli, sometimes in Utule. Shout out to Sugar Mama. I used to have their shave eyes. It's really good. I like it. We're waiting on 2 more judges, and then we're moving on. I believe the scrutineers are waiting for the final category, so we should be getting our results very, very fast. Because no one wants to wait in anticipation. So this category, let's talk about that. So Babese and Tawalunga, no audio, just straight a cappella.
It is totally up to the zone how they want to present the BE. And whichever BE wins tonight, this will be the official BE for the Society of Fafafinas in American Samoa. So a lot of thought and effort went into creating these lyrics and the BEs for tonight. I'm excited. I'm excited to hear each zone perform the BEs that they've come up with.
You know, honestly, the first year they performed, they had Fafa Festival. They were asked to record, the Tanulas, they were asked to record in studio at KVCK. So every now and then on the radio, you'll hear them. Yes.
That is correct. Just goes to show that the girls are very talented. Singing, acting, and as you can see with the runways, designs. Yes. I never feel old funny.
Oh my Lord, Tono, Tangatauma, Teo Fufoi.
Waiting on 2 more judges to return, and then we will continue with our last last category of the night. It's the VE and Tawalunga. Now, as you can see, the Tuwinga Papau Challenge that was right before this category, those are the zone leaders, and they will be performing the Tawalunga as the zones perform the VEs.
Oh,
In
so
their
it's a-
traditional attire.
I love that.
With their Tuwingas.
You know, do they have to write their own song, or they could compile any song from whatever era?
No, this is a VE, so it has to be Samoan. Because yung final usufa at Tawalunga, like, you know, like you're in Leone, you know, that offer song kind.
Okay.
So it was left to the zones to come up with a tune, if it's borrowed, an original, whatever. And I'm just excited to hear the VEs tonight.
Yes. And this is the category where everyone is going to participate. So each categories that we just went through, oh my kaikasia, but this one, ikakaw nga include registered members to participate in this category. So there will be a group of them on the stage.
I believe we are now ready to move into our final category of the night, which is the VE and Tawalunga. The zones were tasked to create a Sophia Samoan anthem, or VE, in which celebrates talent and inclusivity, and etc. All zone members were encouraged to join, and they will be performing in their zone uniforms tonight. During the VE, the taupos for each zone will perform the final Tawalunga. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Tene Ole Sei from the Western Zone for their VE and final Tawalunga.
How about a round of applause for Tina Lissay, everybody?
Salaina le sasamanga le sone, Tene Sei, ile lua afe tala. Ladies and gentlemen, Natena Olasai. Thank you so much, Tena Olasai, for that beautiful anthem and beautiful voices tonight. And your beautiful taupo. And as mentioned earlier, sa Salaina ni Sausaunanga Michaela, ia matasone mai sifo ile dua afetana. Moni nga whaatai, ile sone, taitai, ia mataupulenga. Mai sifo inisio whawhausuoro i iai, ia matato sone ato mai sifo, sone maalosi mai sifo. Te mespatpatele mo Tena Olasai.
Beautiful, beautiful singing. I believe the Eastern Legends are ready.
Pena mai ia le sone mai sasae, o le lato foi vii ma tawalunga, o le sone nei o lo nalo taitainga ia ale taitai po le mato taupo foi nei afiafi ia Vanessa Simanu Tamu, ma o lo lato na e ina ia le lato toninga uli uli. Ladies and gentlemen, for their anthem and final tawalunga, the Eastern Legends.
Put your hands together one more time for the Eastern Legend.
Sodesa, Ilelua Fetala.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause for the Eastern legend? Beautiful, beautiful singing. I believe that concludes all the categories for tonight. How about a round of applause one more time for everyone on stage tonight? At this time, we are going to call back everyone to the stage, and we are going to do that in fashion and style. Ozzy?
I'm here.
All right. We're gonna call everyone back on stage?
No, Miss.
Oh, okay. So we're not, okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about one more round of applause for the girls tonight?
Yes.
And I believe that concludes all our judge categories for the night. So as the scrutineers are working hard to tally the scores for tonight, we would like to invite our reigning Miss Sophia's, Miss Isabella Amumangil, for her final and closing remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Sophia's.
Can you please give another round of applause for my sister? Thank you. I've been dreading this moment. I am not a public speaker, so please forgive me. But listening to the zones and the VE really, I'm so proud to be standing in front of you. With the support of my beautiful Sophia sisters who've worked tirelessly to prepare this beautiful show for you all. And we truly hope that, that it touches you as much as it touches us. Creativity is at times a vacation from the realities that we face. And so highlighting the work that we do continuously behind the scenes, in front of the scenes today is a marvelous thing to be able to do here and at this time. So thank you so much for your attendance and your support and for loving us as much as we love you, and I hope you leave tonight with a broader perspective of our organization and the work that we continue to do. I would like to thank you all once again, and especially our esteemed panel of judges, women who inspire and continue to inspire. Thank you so much. That is all I can say. And thank you to all of American Samoa watching us tonight.
Once again, the lovely Miss Sophia Isabella Amu. Okay, we are going to call on everyone, right?
No, manonga kana le kete mo miso lo vanga yo manga va de kala ni stabani manyela ofio. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, that was our reigning Miss Sophia Isabella, and as you can see, she is no ordinary beauty queen because she's always in the backstage. And majority o mea umanava tapenanga nefa moe ia sapangati ai lava e tausala la ner Sophia. So a fai wale tauno sila nea fiafi fa mangalo ono ole au nanga lava bela i le nei tausanga ia malana lava masani. So another round of applause for Bella. So before we go into her final number, we have a number prepared. Miss Isabella, have some gifts for the judges. Girls. So niana I meano fa fa lava mo afionga fa masino. Ele tiene ia ai tali masine ai lo o so fa malo lo mai tali ina fo ia le fa tala una atu ale nei asosi vai ia mo so fina ngano fa tala ina nei fa mo o le mato tano fa mania tene le tu ai sofinga fa ale malo I ainga le kalesia fa ngai mo o so ia ai mo se ai ola le nei asosi vai chai. Ladies and gentlemen, for the final number, this is We Are the World by the reigning Miss Sophia's, Mrs. Isabella Amumangil, the zone leaders, and the entire society of Fa'afafines in American Samoa. DJ Sophia.
Big hands, everybody, big hands.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. One can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives.
It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
on the west side, Miss Michaela Fabula. Zone leader on the eastern end, Miss Vanessa Simon. Our rural Papakina manager, Jaya Fabula. They nailed the same. They're like a two-line offer. And the entire society of Papafinas in American Ghana. Sophia's, please remain standing. Scrutineers, do we have our results? One piece, sir. And the results are in.
How about a hand for our scrutineers tonight? They were able to tally all of this within minutes.
How many $1? Macapoko. How the 2K? Hey, the results are in. And we are going to go through the categories But our prizes, we will have a special ceremony and dinner presenting title prizes. But for tonight, we will announce the winners of each category and the overall winners of tonight's Fa'afafine Festival. Ladies, e le vi ile nasau o le mua o le mea e tafea a o le uso e tu maupea. E le mua umani faa ia whanga tau a tatou vi iana awa fo ine uma ia ai. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first category of spoken word, the winner goes to Taine Olisei. Right.
Our category number 2, the Battle of the Bandits. The winner goes to Taine Olisei.
Before girls, I want to be so, girls, say for the timing now to step forward and E4. While they pose, it's my lip runway and I. Our third category, the lip sync battle number 1. Taine Olisei.
Our fashion showdown, the category for hair. The winner goes to Taine Olisei.
For the makeup category, serving face goes to Eastern Legend.
The hat category goes to Taine Olisei.
The second lip sync battle goes to Taine Olisei.
Going to our second fashion show for the feather category goes to Taine Olisei.
For our zodiac sign runway, the winner is Taine Olisei.
The natural disaster, the recycle wear. The winner goes to Eastern Legend. The lava. The right lava.
Our lip sync battle number 3 goes to Eastern Legend.
Our category number 5, the Tuinga competition. The winner goes to Eastern Legend. Thank you, Vanessa.
And our last and final category of the night, the VE of the Sophia's and Sophia's new anthem, Taine Olisei. Our pizza. Hey, our first runner-ups for tonight, with a total of 1,091 points. Our first runner-up goes to Eastern Legend.
And our overall winner for tonight goes to Tadeo Lasay, coming in with 1,148 points.
Yeah. Ole whaiungan na tato tauvangai nene yafi yafi. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our competition for tonight. And the Fa'afafine Festival 2026. Ai le tu inatu le avanoa I le fautua. Ya Shani Masoli mo tato talofai. Ya e au pea ona faida o nei fa tau vaa ma fonga tau moni moni o le afionga presidente ya tau savili Roberta Fierce lau moli mai sere tau pulenga o le vasenga fautua o taitai o sone taitasi ma le au te lenga o le sosa inge te o Fa'afafine Amerika Samoa e vatu e nganga fa'afitai mai te ere o mātou loto ono lo o tau fa'aloalo ma lo o tau tala au mai ni nei afi o mawadunga ina mātou wha moe moe. A iei se anga o se upu fo'i wa sala ina nei afi malu ave whale lo o tau fina ngalo. Poto lava tautai ia e sela nā tu yama o mātou upu ia. A tana whiria li tu uama fo'i de fua. Ia lo whare atua ta isa o ngale mua atu lo o tau soi fua. Ia maso mātou wola. A ingo lo whaatari. Mai saunia whaare nganga o tātou ta ngata mo sa pati a tai ao. Ia ai fo e pervi I ngai rea tua. A o ani se o ne afiafi ia ruatu ia ne afiafi ma avatu. O le upu lea matala. Ia a le atua tunoa le avanoa. I le faufautua. Uto whaia tapu no udan va avane. Saunia se tala. Sautasi. Sama wa malia mata iba ai lau fa manuanga nei afiafi matou se fa fo ia le vi inga man fa fatai lau afio wa I u fa mo o fa nau tu mau pelo wanga le ia te matou ta ina lo matou wola lo matou sama I le sa pasi ia tai au ia mau e matou le ola manuia mai lau afio ia lunga fo nei afia le manuia o ele atu al sama le alo ma le anga pa ia nei se ia o le whaavau lava. Amen. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it from us tonight. Thank you so much. Manuia Nene Yafi Yafi. And if you're looking for an MC for your next gig, please book us.